Let's go walk with the folks. Hear all those birds? That's from feeding them. Look at these daffodils. They was drooping yesterday. I gave them a drink of water. Now they're popping back up again. I read that they're supposed to last anywhere from 6 weeks to 6 months, depending on the kind it is. Hold on, doggies. These things are messed up. There you go. So we haven't had much rain, so the ground's pretty dry, and they were thirsty, the daffodils. All the birds are noisy. You doggies keep crisscrossing. Make me fight these things. Come on, Lucy. Barkley's just sitting there waiting on me. Noisy birds. Look at them up in the sky there. Yo. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. No, Lucy. Lucy. You're supposed to get some rain today, too. Haven't rained yet. If it doesn't rain by the time I go to bed, I'll give the daffodils another drink. Smelling where the deers was and the raccoons. They were her. That's the salt block, mineral block for the deers. Seen them licking on it too. Let's go. A little wind blowing here. Now they're gonna go through the wind tunnel. You guys stop crisscrossing. There you go again. Come on. Barkley peeing again. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. You gotta do it one more time. Come on, Lucy. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. No, Barkley. Don't think about it. Okay, you both pee-pee. Let's go in the house. Come on. Let's go in the house. Come on, Barkley. Let's go in the house. Good doggies. Good doggies. Thanks to folks for walking with us. Thank you. Thanks for walking with us. Let's go. Let's go.